YouTube was good. What's good? We back, baby. We back with another video, man. Giving y'all that sauce. Lacing y'all up, man. Showing y'all how to navigate the markets, man. Giving you that sauce so you can navigate or take something from it to help you navigate if you're not already navigating. Let's do it, man. As you can see on the screen, man. Two trades for me today. One winner, one loss. But once you do the math, netted $15, man. Nothing to ride home about, man, except for that I was able to bounce back after the first trade. You know what I'm saying? In this game of trading, sometimes it's hard to bounce back after the first trade. You know what I'm saying? It can become a confidence shaker. You feel me? And I have been there before, you know what I'm saying? But you know, I've been trading a little minute now. So, you know, I'm able to fight through that, you know what I'm saying? I got my mind state right, my mental right, man. So if you out there, you know what I'm saying, you struggle with the first trade, you might go red on the first trade and it might do something to you. Man, you know what I'm saying, pick yourself up. Get in your zone. You know what I'm saying? You could do it. It just take time, man. It take dedication, it take work. It take perseverance, man. And that's what we here for. That's what this channel's here for, you know what I'm saying? I'm growing with y'all, y'all growing with me. We doing it one trade at a time, one day at a time. So, you know, as you can see, yeah, two trades, man. But enough with the small talk, man. Let's get into it with the first trade. As you can see, the first trade was Coinbase. Let's get into it, how I seen it. Remember what I first told y'all. When you come into the day, you always want to check your levels. You always want to check your levels. And when I came into the day, I seen coin gap down under a key support level. So what I'm looking for is that support level to become resistance. And I'm looking for another continuation sell-off. Because as you can see that for the last 2 days, you can see Coinbase with this sell-off. So what we looking to get even further, you know what I'm saying? Crypto been real volatile. Everybody been real iffy about it. You know what I'm saying? It's all on the news. You can't be trusted. SEC just cracked down on cracking. You know what I'm saying? Sam Bankman freed, scam Bankman freed. You know what I'm saying? All that there, man. You know, y'all know what it is. I don't got to get into y'all. I don't got to get into it with y'all, but let me break it down. So yeah, once we gap down under this level, remember what I told y'all. This line right here, this is the close, the previous day's close, and this yellow dotted line is the open. So once we got down under this level, what you do, you got to see what this level entails. So let's pull the screen back. As we can see right here, even if you bring it back a little further, January 26th, you can see right here where we hit this level. Even if you go back a little further, you can see what type of major level this is, where you can see what buyers and sellers they get it in at this level, man. So even if you go back to the 23rd, the 24th, you can see what's going on. Then you go to the 26th, you can see what's going on. Then we finally got above that level. Buyers finally got in control and got above that level. And then that level got retested. That level got retested, as you can see right here. Then buyers jump back in off that level. And then, you know, that level got almost retested again. But, you know, the price action kept getting pushed up. Then we got this nice parabolic move. This 2-day move, you got a nice parabolic move. Just another day, 2 days later, to get this type of move. But now that we see that, now I have identified my levels. As you can see, I already have the line drawn. So I'm looking for the stock to reject off this level, and we continue to the downside. So let's go to the 3-minute chart. Make it a little bigger for y'all. So let's do it. Let me show you how it played out. All right, we starting to get the bounce now. Once we get the bounce, the first thing you want to do, you want to go right here. You want to pull out your Fibonacci retracement level. You know what I'm saying? Because the key to the Fibonacci retracement levels is it's a part of an indicator that I use, and the way I use it is I want to see either the 23.6, 38.2 line in the same price area with this purple line, with this pink line or this white line. And once I get them both in that price area, I want to play off that area. So since the stock is going down, so I'm looking for them areas and them indicators to act as a level of resistance. So let's see what happens. Okay, bam. Now we finally get our first rejection, but all three of the indicators not at the same area. But I like this candle. I like this candle with this wick right here, and then I like this increase in volume. It looks real nice. So first thing I do, I buy right here. That's why I get short at. That's why I get my put options at. Right here, bought 3 contracts. Let's see how I played out from then. Oh, okay, you see buyers still stepping back in, buyers still trying to take control, and they just got back above VWAP. Let's see what happens. Hold on, but not to mention though, also let me show you my stop loss area. This the candle that I bought. This where the stop loss area gonna be, kind of right here. So if we get above this, if we get above this this yellow line convincingly, then which I probably should have put it to the open line, but since I seen this candle, I kind of made the stop loss too tight. But you know what I'm saying, let's see what happens. You can see we testing the yellow line right now. We're testing it as we can speak right now, but still I haven't exited out the trade yet. As you can see, I haven't exited out the trade because guess what, we could get a tail, just like we got a tail through the white line. We could get a tail, just how buyers look like they in control. Sellers could come in right now and just push the stock down and we get a tail. But let's see. And then this what we get. And once we get this, we get an indecision candle where everybody's indecisive, but we're way over. So that's what you see where I exit the trade at. And that's how my first loss ended of the day, which y'all can see down right here. Let's go to the next trade. Get rid of all this real quick. Next trade is Apple. Let's go to Apple. This is what you want to see with Apple. Once again, like I said, the yellow line, that's today's open. The white dotted line is the previous day's close. So once we see that an area of support just became established if we get over this area. But the previous day it was resistance. So this is where we draw the line at. As you can see, we came up to it, sellers jumped in, buyers came back, sellers jumped in, and then you can see the level being established. So I'm saying to myself, if we get over this level, I'm looking to play off this level. So let me go to the 3 minute now. So let's see what happens. We get the push, but look at the wicks. You could tell sellers ain't going nowhere. They trying to push it down. They trying to push it down. They trying to push Apple down. Let's see what happens. Apple still pushing up, but you see them wicks. Them wicks let you know it's a lot of selling pressure, but you see the volume. Volume is steady increasing. Let's see what happens. Okay, finally we get the pullback candle. Now, like I was saying before, we see the purple line and we see the white line. Both lines are coming underneath this red candle right here. So we looking for them lines to act as support. And another thing, let's see. Okay, now you can see once we got down, buyers bought off of this line and off of the purple line, and they bought off the white line. So we see buyers done stepped in. We see this nice engulfing candle, but the volume ain't really too much. It's not like this volume. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of light. We wanted to be heavy in that. Wish it could have been a million, but still, I'm going off the market, man. You know what I'm saying? Apple been doing this thing. We got above that key resistance area now, became support, and I'm knowing that. So okay, I'm looking for the stock to go to give us an uptrending move. Let's see what happens next. Okay, sellers come in, but you can see buyers push the stock back up, giving us a nice shooting star candle. Also, it's giving us a white line crosses over the purple line, which is VWAP. Once you get that, keep this in mind, take notes. Whenever you get the white line cross over the purple line, if you know what I'm saying, you choose to use this strategy, you should get a momentum move to the upside. You get what I'm saying? So whenever you see the white line crosses over the purple line, you should get a momentum move upside. But also, you need to get an increase in volume to confirm that, because you don't want to get a crossover and the stock starts to go up, but the volume is kind of light. You get what I'm saying? Because then the chances is you might have a failed breakout. You know what I'm saying? The stock might break down, sellers might take back control. But let's see what happens. Now we're starting to get the crossover. It's starting to cross over the white line, starting to cross over the purple line. So then once I see that, I'm going ahead and take the trade, because the volume's still light. You get what I'm saying? This is the heaviest volume. This is light. So okay, and I see this. I see the buyers trying to take control, even though the candle red. But you know, these two candles right here gave me real confidence. So I just waited till we actually got the crossover, and then as you can see right here, I bought 6 contracts for Apple. Let's see what the next move is. Boom. Let's get it. There go the increase in volume that I was telling you about. That's the increase in volume that I was actually telling y'all about. So once I got that, I took my first piece of profit right here. The reason why I took it right there is because this is where we first got rejected at. So since I know that, okay, I want to get something off right there. That's this right here. So 2 contracts, and all it is just to lighten up my wrist, since I'm getting the move going in the direction I want to go in. You get what I'm saying? That's all it is, just to lighten up my wrist. But then you see, let's go a little further. Then I take another piece off. You see? Now we getting our move. Take another piece off. Right here. Well, it's kind of right there, because you can see it. Get another piece off. You get what I'm saying? So hold on. Let me do it like this. Let me put the buy where I bought at. Gotta have that there. So I bought right here. First piece off. Next piece off. Sold 2. See? Sold 2. And we starting to get increasing volume too. The volume starting to pick up. So let's see what happens. Now I took my other piece. This is where I took my other piece at. Right here. That's where I took my other piece off at. But I want y'all to notice something. This is how you read the chart. Look at this. After we broke out, we started to consolidate. Look at the volume. Volume real low. And then once we broke out again, volume started to pick back up. But look at this support area. This is what you guys to be paying attention to. Look at this nice support area. As you can see it, we came down, we tested, buyers jumped in, pushed it back up. They buying off of this right here now. Pushed it back up, came up, came back down for the retest. What happened? We got the push, increase in volume. We got our next move. Also, look, let me pull out this for y'all. Let me see what this look like. This is another way to help y'all with the trade too. So now look what we got. We got this initial morning high. We got to break through this initial morning high. We got to retest of this initial morning high. We got buyers stepping in, give us a nice shooting star candle. Also, what we got? The 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level in this area. And also, what else we got? We got the white line. We got the white line. So we got 3 support indicators. We got the white line. We got the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement degree in this area. And also, we got the initial morning high where it was directed at in the beginning. And now this area, which once was resistance, became support. Then we get the retest and buyers jump back in. And as you can see, once we started to extend some more, I sold 1 contract. Let's see what happened after that. Now we get another extension move up. Then you can see, this is why I sold my last contract. Right here. Yeah, there it is, man. That's why I sold my last contract. As you can see, this is why I sold my last one. And that was the whole trade for me. But guess what though? I still left some on the table. Still left some on the table. But yeah, so look at the nice little move we got playing Apple, man. So yeah, man, nothing crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? Made 210 off of it. First lost 195. Made 210 off of it. And then there was 1 for 2. You know what I'm saying? But the second trade put me green, even though I wasn't a crazy green. But guess what? I wasn't red. I wasn't red. And that's the whole key. Good trading. Good reading of the indicators. Good patience. We got a nice extension move. The trade took what? 2 hours? Real calm trade. Wasn't really nothing where I was getting tested like what y'all see on the first coin trade. Well, soon I got in, buyers jumped right back in. Like they already tested my level. Like it's like soon I got in, I got my push, and then the market, then Apple just took off. So yeah, man, that was my day. 1 for 2, still netted green. Man, if you like the recap, man, go ahead, like the video, comment down below, share the video, subscribe to the channel for daily uploads. And yeah, man, I'm out.